Who said there is one way or a rule to making a egusi soup? There's no rule to cooking, so do what works for you. Welcome to my kitchen, where we're cooking one of Nigeria's favorite dishes, egusi soup. It's rich and hearty, and it's packed with flavor. We start by blending our egusi seed until it's smooth. That's the secret to that thick, delicious texture. So in a hot pot, pour in your palm oil, not too much, just enough to bring out that signature taste. Once it's hot, toss in some chopped onions and fry till it is golden. Now you add your blended egusi and you stir it gently. Cut it in and stir it gently for a few minutes till it thickens and it forms small lumps, as you can see in the video. Then you add your pepper mix as much as you can tolerate. Then you stir on it gently and continuously until it combines. Then you go in with your stock, your meat stock. If it's not enough, then you add a little water and you stir on it and you leave everything to simmer. After, you go in with your protein. Then you add your stock cubes. After which, because this one is a one-way pot of soup, you go in with your vegetable. Any vegetable you like. I use them for this. I use bitter leaf and scent leaf. You see that two combo, it's a game changer. Then I went in with my eru, my beef, and fish. Then I stir it together. Then I covered my pot and allow it to simmer. After a while, I came back to it. I stirred on it gently, because you don't want your fish to break, right? Stir on it gently. Now it's time for some spice. I seasoned with crayfish and I adjusted with my seasoning. Don't forget to add salt and taste as you go. I added more crayfish and stir on it and allow everything to marry themselves perfectly, 5 to 10 minutes. Then I come again to it, stir, and perfect. There you have it. Your soup is ready. You can pair with any swallow, eba, fufu, semo, pounded yam, or even rice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more yummy recipe. Enjoy, guys. See you in my next one. I love you guys. Bye.